Welcome to the channel, Oh, we right into it. That was fast. Okay, we're gonna start off thickening them eyebrows. You know how the girls feel about the eyebrows. Make sure they're nice and full. Make it dark. After you do the left, you gotta do the right. Cannot be lopsided. Get them eyebrows nice and thick. All right, I'm gonna put some of this paste under the eyebrow. You know, it's probably gonna make a nice on top of the eyebrow too. Okay, so you're gonna surround the eyebrow in paste. It's probably gonna make the eyebrows pop a little more because of that contrast. You know, you got your paste, then the black. Okay, you're gonna blend it in, smooth it out with the skin, right all up in there, get all up in there. And what's that, Riverdale? Okay, so yep, you gotta hold the palette up, exactly. Let them know what it is. Gonna put some purple on there. That's a nice purple, okay. Don't be afraid, put it all in there. Get all that purple in there. That's probably the foundation of the whole look. All right, dab it on there. Make sure it's nice and full. Left side, right side. Okay, we got another palette. That looks cool. Okay, well, okay, you gotta tap it before you put it on. That's how everybody knows what you're putting on. Okay, tap the pink, outline it with the purple. Good colors complement each other. Okay. Let's see. All right. In a nice little half circle motion. All right. Now we're back. Is that purple again? Oh, we're blending it in. Yep. Okay. Blend the purple and pink. Get a nice pinkle. All right. Yeah. Make sure that's nice and blended. Yeah. It's like, is this what you call a smoky eye? Okay. You're going to make sure it's all blended so it could all go together smoothly. And we got another palette. Ooh, that's we got some sparklers. All right, gonna spice it up. Rub it with your finger. Okay, yeah, put your finger in it. All right, yep, rub it on your eye. It's probably sanitary. I'm pretty sure she washed her hands. No problem. Okay, yeah, just rub that in with your finger. Rub, rub, rub. All right, and we got another color to add on top. So make sure you link it. Oh, what's that? We're going back over. Okay, so that's, it looks like it's blending that together with the blue. Okay. Oh, y'all know what this is, the eyelashes. Everybody want the eyelashes. Okay. Put that glue on there. I've seen this plenty of times. Okay. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just gonna stick it on there. Stick the eyelash glue in your eye. All right, what's that? Oh, okay. Yep, there's some kind of black stuff that's gonna make the eyelashes thicker, you know. You can't be out here with no thin eyelashes. That's basic shit. Gotta make them eyelashes nice and thick. Yeah. Yeah, you see that? Changed the whole look. Okay, now I'm gonna dab some oil on there, some anointing oil. Okay, rub that under your eye. Make sure you stay nice and, I don't know, refreshed. Okay, we're gonna put some lotion on. You want to make sure you're nice and lotioned up. Rub it all in there. Okay. Dewy smooth. Oh, that's a whole nother color. Okay. And put some dewy smooth on your face. You gotta get your cheekbones, nose. This is how you proportion it. Make sure you got the right amounts in the right section. You're gonna take this blush, spread some water on it, blend it all in. Okay. Get that dewy all in. So just from the marks, that tell you how much you need, I could tell. Okay, that's smart, that's smart. Rub it all in. So you're nice and glazed like a honey bun. Get that all in there. Okay, what's this? I don't know, tribal marks? Okay, so yeah, you gotta get your nose, we back at it. Proportion, eyelids, nose, X on the head, okay? And then you start blending all that in too. Oh, okay. Make sure you don't mess up the makeup. Go along the lines of the laid work down you already did. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, get that forehead X. Yep. Rub that in. Don't forget the Vegeta, Widow's Peak, aka. What's that? Yeah, okay. Get half a cap full of this stuff. You're just gonna rub it along your eyes on the bottom. Blend it all in. This looks like it's making it powdery. Okay, maybe so you don't want to look too slick and oiled. You gotta powder it up a little bit, okay? Powder, 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 powder. That's fast. Rub it in. Get it all in there nice and even. You got another jar, a little half a cap of that. Then you're gonna go over everything already. Okay, so that's changing the color. You don't wanna look like a powdered donut. So you're gonna get this stuff, rub it in, highlight it at the bottom, jawbones. You know, you really wanna highlight the jawbones, that's good. All right, so now we're adding another color. We're gonna add some green, okay, right under those eyelids. Some good old verde. All right. Want to blend that in. You always want to make sure you blend. If you haven't noticed, if you're not blending, you ain't doing it right. All right, both sides. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we're still at it. Okay. You got to make sure you focus on this part. It's probably crucial. All right, now we're back to tapping. All right, oh, we got some more sparkles. This is really gonna set it off. Now watch this. Oh, that's the inner V. That's what that is. Yeah, you gotta get that inner V. Don't be scared. Put your finger in it. Go ahead. Yep. Anastasia glow kit. Okay, if it's a glow kit, it's probably gonna make something glow. Ooh, the cheekbones. Gotcha. So we're gonna highlight the cheekbones with the glow kit. You know, you wanna highlight your good features. Those protrude. You wanna make it shine, stand out. Yep. Yep. Okay, tap it some more so they know what it is. Put it on your nose too, because your nose protrudes. The nose and cheekbones protrude. All right, that's good. Get them lips nice and dark. Highlight the edge of it. Then you put the lip gloss in the middle. Oh, okay. Okay, rub them together. Yep. Rub them together, and now we done. Close the eyes slowly. Show the camera what you did. Yeah. Look around, smile at the camera, subscribe, like, yeah. All right, cool.